In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Trello Premium. If you've been trying to downgrade or stop billing on a workspace and can't find the right menu, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. Start by opening Trello.com and signing in. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser because the full billing controls are easiest to access there. Make sure you're logged into the account that actually owns the premium subscription. Trello Premium is applied at the workspace level, not to your entire user account, so you'll be canceling it for a specific workspace. Once you're in, head to your workspaces. You can get there from the left sidebar or the top navigation depending on your layout. If you belong to multiple workspaces, take a moment to choose the one that currently has premium. A quick hint: look for a premium badge or any features like advanced checklists or admin controls that indicate which workspace is upgraded. You'll need admin or billing permission on that workspace to proceed. If you don't see billing options, you may need to ask a workspace admin to handle the cancellation. Inside your chosen workspace, open the workspace settings and find the billing section. This is where Trello manages your plan, seats, and payment details. The name of the link may read billing, billing and plans, or something similar. After it loads, you'll see your current plan status, renewal date, and the number of members covered. On the billing page, look for the option to cancel or manage your plan. This may appear as Cancel Plan, Manage Subscription, or a link that opens your subscription portal. Click it and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Trello typically processes cancellations at the end of your current billing cycle, which means you'll keep premium features until your renewal date and then automatically downgrade to the free plan. If you're in a trial, canceling prevents future charges after the trial expires. Policies can change, so review any on-screen notes about refunds, proration, or effective dates carefully before you confirm. After you cancel, you'll get a confirmation on screen, and you may receive an email summarizing the change. Keep that for your records. If you plan to continue using Trello on the free plan, remember that some premium-only features will be removed or limited after the downgrade, so it's a good idea to tidy up boards and review any features you rely on before the billing cycle ends. That's it. You've located your workspace, opened billing, and canceled the plan with confidence.